Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to show you another recipe in the microwave. After my microwave cheesecake, I'm going to show you how to make this amazing chocolate cake in the microwave. It's going to be super easy. From the frosting to the cake, everything is done in the microwave. So let's start with the frosting. So for my frosting, I'm going to make a whipped ganache, and I'm first of all going to chop my chocolate. I'm using some dark chocolate and also some milk chocolate for the perfect taste. Okay, so now I'm going to put my cream and butter in the microwave for about a minute or two, or until it's very hot and almost comes to a boil. Putting all my cream in my milk chocolate, and I'm going to let it rest for about 5 minutes to make the chocolate melt. Great, now we can whisk this chocolate mixture until you have a very dark chocolate pool of amazing goodness. This is the best frosting, I tell you. And then I'm going to let it set in the fridge for about 2 hours or until it's very hard, and then we can whip it up. So while my frosting is in the fridge, we can now make the cake, and I'm going to make a very simple chocolate cake. And first of all, I'm going to mix all of my dry ingredients together. I'm using some flour and also some cocoa powder, of course. I'm also adding some baking powder and a decent pinch of salt. Okay, so my dry ingredients are perfectly mixed. We can now take care of the liquid ingredients, and I'm going to start off by using some oil. I'm going to use some vegetable oil. You can definitely use some coconut oil in this recipe. And I'm going to add 4 large eggs. Adding some sugar and vanilla, and I'm going to mix this well. Perfect, we can now add the dry ingredients, and I'm also adding some hot water. This will make the cake so moist in the microwave, I tell you, and then I will mix it again. So our cake batter is done, so I can put it in my 2 pans. I'm using 20 centimeters silicone molds. Of course, you want to use something that is microwave friendly for this recipe, so please don't use aluminum, but you can definitely use glass or silicone as I'm using today. And I'm going to put some chocolate chips on my cake and bake it in my microwave. So my cakes have cooled completely. It is time to whip that frosting, and I'm going to put all of my ganache in my stand-in mixer, and I'm going to whip it good for about 2 minutes or until it's very, very light but thick. So I'm going to make a very simple layer cake today. I'm just using 2 layers of cake and some frosting in the middle, as you can see. So nothing more to say from me than just frost your cake however you want it. I did a very simple frosting on the outside, as you can see, and I'm going to decorate it with some sugar and also some cocoa powder. So as you can see, my cake is done, and honestly, you wouldn't know the difference between a cake baked in the microwave or in the oven. It took so little time, it was so easy to make, so please Make this recipe, the frosting is amazing as I've said it before. You can also make buttercream or cream cheese frosting or anything you want as a frosting. You do not have to make chocolate ganache, but I wanted to have this rich chocolate taste and ganache is perfect for that. So please make this recipe. You can find the list of ingredients in the description box down below this video. So just write down there. Also, you can find the social media where to follow me, so Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and Snapchat. And please subscribe to my channel, it really means a lot. And I will see you next time for another amazing recipe. Bye!